All right, here, day 7. Everything's put back together. We have a complete engine. Everything from A to Z is attached. Electrical lines, hoses, oil lines, fuel lines, and coolant lines. And these guys did a fine job. Found some bolts here and there afterwards. But we got a new battery in here. The other one was what, 8 point something?
8.2?
8.2 voltage. So you need more than 12 to get a good battery voltage to start this vehicle. So everything else is good. The only thing that we need to do is add the coolant, and then we'll start it, and it'll start on the first try, I promise.
Yes, Zach.
Alrighty, good job, guys.
Very good job, boys. Very good job.
And nothing's left here in the corner. Everything we took off is back on the vehicle. So this truck is ready to hit the road, man. Yep. Awesome.